Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. We're going to do this video on P06BA code. This is an OBD-II code. If you guys have a check engine light and a scanner, probably know you have this code because you scanned it and this code came up. Essentially, this code stands for cylinder 2 glow plug circuit range performance. So essentially, cold start or no start in cold weather is defined as a cylinder 2 glow plug circuit range performance. The glow plug is used on diesel engines to preheat the cylinder before the engine is started. If your car's computer detects that the glow plug for cylinder 2 is not operating properly, the PCM will set this code. So essentially what the symptoms are is you're going to have a system, an engine that might not start, or you could have a hard or no start in cold weather conditions. So if you guys are looking for a fix to this, definitely watch this video. We're going to tell you guys why, how you guys can actually repair it. But essentially the common problems that could trigger this code is you could have a glow plug control module failure. You could have a glow plug failure itself, which is essentially an easy thing to fix and figure out. You could have a glow plug wiring harness failure, and essentially in those cases you could actually just check the harness to make sure that there's no breakage, and if you need to, you could probably use a multimeter just to test out if there's any kind of current going through there. So essentially this is not a hard problem to analyze and fix. The code itself actually tells you which cylinder has the problem, and you could either try to figure it out by swapping cylinders, swapping glow plugs to see if which one if that is the direct issue, or maybe a harness, wiring harness, or maybe the module itself. Again, not very difficult to figure out. If the control module has the issue, you're probably going to have more than just one glow plug code for just one glow plug. But in any case, if you guys have any questions about this, definitely drop a comment in the comment section. If you guys have your own personal issues with this and fix this, definitely drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know what you did. It might help somebody else out. If you guys have a question about this, definitely drop a comment or a question, and maybe somebody else could help you guys out. In any case, hope this helps you guys out. If you guys have hope this helps you guys out. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.